So next device, what we are focusing on our series of industrial augmented reality is Microsoft Hololens. This is probably the most capable device today in the market. It has a stereo display, so again the visual content is right in front of your field of view. Interactivity, it has all the capabilities. It comes with the air mouse, so you can control the mouse cursor the standard way. But maybe most importantly, the interactivity can be done also through pure gesture controls. So you will be just pinching and selecting items in the user interface, and this also gives you the possibility to use the annotation. So this is pretty good device, very much forward-looking, has a very distinct advantage over other devices. It has an extremely good tracking system inbuilt into the headset, what we didn't cover in the previous videos. So unlike the other devices, when you are using pointer on HoloLens, it's not running Android, so it has a Microsoft own operating system for mixed reality. You need to use the device portal first of all to install. Standard way, you go to pointer.it and you find the HoloLens installer from there. But then when you launch pointer, the cool things about the tracking system is that in your field of view you can position pointer window on the side. You can be doing some maintenance tasks every now and then, taking a look what the expert is guiding you on, and otherwise all the basic functionalities are there, but it has a little bit of this touch of futuristic when we can use the tracking system. So for optimal usage environment, HoloLens is still also on the little bit pricey end, so mass deployment is not exactly the thing what you should probably do in the first place. Also, it's quite a fragile device, so field conditions, throwing it to the toolbox, not so much recommended at this point, but it's a very good device for quite controlled environments. Is it a factory floor, workshop, or R&D, or even training situations where you want to do remote mentoring that expert shows through HoloLens certain circumstances to the classroom full of trainees. So that's it has a good coverage in business cases, and additionally, thanks to its tracking capabilities, it also brings into the picture quite a good set of other business cases beyond remote mentoring. So overall very good device.